Hello, welcome. In this video we are going to see how extra spaces are provided in some situation and how some spaces are cancelled in some other situation while typesetting using Latex. We might have noticed that even though the length of the lines of text we type in a paragraph are different, in the output all lines are of equal length, aligned perfectly on the right and left. Text does this by adjusting the space between the words. In traditional typesetting, a little extra space is added to periods which end the sentences, and text also follows this custom. You can see here, for example, consider this sentence. Consider this sentence. This sentence itself. Yeah, after this sentence breaks here, not with a question mark. You can see here some additional space is provided, and just before the word it. When we compare this empty space with this empty space, you can see that some additional space is there. So how does this happen? It automatically Latex system by itself it provides. Suppose normally every sentence ends with a lowercase letter, and for example here lowercase letter with a dot. Consider this word. This is the end. Here we have the end of the sentence letter. In this word ends with a small letter R and the dot. Then it what does the Latex system do is it provides an extra space if the sentence ends with a lowercase letter and a dot. It provides the extra space. Itself it provides. But there are some exceptional cases. For example, see, vitamin A here in this sentence it ends with vitamin A. Here instead of lowercase letter, capital letter is used, uppercase letter is used. So in such situations, Latex doesn't provide extra space. For providing extra space, there is a provision. You can use the command / this symbol. This command can be used. See this portion of the source code. See the portion of the source code. This is used to produce the output, which is given here. And you can see after the capital letter, after the uppercase letter, capital letter A, you can see / is used just before the dot. So it can produce the required output. It's kind of command used can produce this output. Next, we have another situation. We come across the words like etc, 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 etc can be are sometimes used inside in a sentence. In such situation, this dot is used after. Since the dot is used after the small letter C, it will provide, Latex will provide that extra space here. It will detect that it will misinterpret that it's the end of a sentence, so it should be cancelled, and this this extra space should be cancelled. How can we cancel this extra space? See here, this is the source code, the portion of the source code which can generate this this output. In this source code, you can see after etc dot. See here, after etc dot, a backslash is used, and this kind of use of backslash can cancel that extra space provided. Next, there are some special occasions where we use this kind of commands slash latex slash latex slash latex. In such situation, when we come to the output may appear like this. I think, see here, the entire sentence. I think slash latex is fun. If the output is produced like this, you can see the required space is not there. So that can be provided, that space can be provided by appending, by using backslash. See the backslash used after slash latex, and then this can provide produce that output in the correct way. And these are the uses of special commands to produce spacing, extra spacing, and in some cases to cancel some extra spacing. Thank you.